Let's get our week started with Matt Cavanaugh, CMZ Trading. Always a pleasure to have you on the show.
Thank you.
Well, there's a time for buying, a time for selling, and a time for hedging in the market. Which way are you going?
Well, you know, last week was such a slow week, and it was one of those weeks where it really gave me time to kind of look at my personal portfolio, if you will, and say, now that we've got this great rally back and everyone kind of has good expectations, but some of the economic numbers have softened a little bit, what do I want to do? Is this stuff that I really want to hold, or is this stuff that I want to speculate on? So I actually spent a good portion of the week hedging up my position and taking off some of those stocks, some of the semiconductors that have come back, and really trying to take my risk down.
Matt, what semiconductors are you watching here?
Well, I have a few of them. Intel is one. Another one is Cypress, AMD as well. And you know, they've had great big ranges. We talked about them a lot last year. If you stuck your neck out when it was scary in December, you really have been rewarded, and I think almost too much. And a lot of that is on the China optimism, but at the same time, it looks like the consumer is a little stretched, and there are things out there that concern me.
Are there other catalysts that you're watching for in this market?
You know, I'd like to see a little bit of conviction one way or the other. Last week just seemed so slow, and people almost feel like they're getting complacent again. The prices of the options, the cost that it costs you to hedge has really come back down, and it's almost like, well, everything's fine again, and I just don't see that.
They say never sell a dull market.
Yeah, well, I think that now's the time to sell it. You know, it was dull just for a little bit, but man, we had such a sell-off and then such a quick rally back that I just don't think that the fireworks are done, even though in the short term it feels like they are.
Good to know. Thanks for coming here.
Thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.